Your AI intern started today. No training, no limits, no supervision. Good luck. Here's a scenario that's more common than you'd think. A business sends a client a polished, professional proposal. It looks great. Then the client calls. The market research in Section 2, the statistics backing the entire recommendation, made up. The AI invented them with complete confidence and zero hesitation. That's called a hallucination, and it happens when powerful tools are handed the keys without any oversight. Sound familiar? Think about it this way. Imagine handing a brand new intern access to your client records, financial reports, and internal documents on day one. No onboarding, no boundaries, just figure it out. That's exactly how most businesses are introducing AI right now. Not out of carelessness. These tools are already baked into the software your team uses every day. And three problems keep showing up. First, sensitive data is quietly leaving the building. Employees paste contracts and financials into public AI tools without realizing the risk. Studies show 38% of employees have shared confidential data with AI platforms without approval. Second, unapproved tools are spreading everywhere. Nearly half of workers are using AI their company never sanctioned. That's shadow IT, and your IT team has zero visibility into it. Third, AI output gets trusted without review. It sounds confident, it looks polished, but it doesn't warn you when it's wrong. And unlike a human intern, it can repeat that mistake at scale. The fix isn't banning AI that ship has sailed. It's treating it like a capable new hire who needs structure. Approved tools, a review step before anything goes external. Clear rules about what data never gets entered. At AtoZinIT in Charlotte, we help businesses get this right. Call us at 704-470-9009 or click the link in the description to schedule a discovery call. Because the businesses that struggle with AI won't be the ones that adopted it. They'll be the ones that never defined how to use it.